Breaking news about Syria. Apparently, there is a heavy transport aircraft belonging to the Syrian Arab Air Force leaving Tehran, the capital of Iran. And this is in addition to Russia announcing that they're sending the S-300 anti-aircraft or aerial ballistic rockets to Syria, which are Mach 7 or Mach 8 capable rockets, which means there's no aircraft that can outrun them. And today there was a convoy of 88 heavy military transport vehicles videoed coming somewhere from Russia down south towards Iran. Somewhere it's still in Russia, but there is something on the move. And finally, their aircraft that has left Tehran has literally, it's in the air right now, has left after the leader of Iran has announced that that Israel has better not continue its attacks on their resources in Syria. So lots of things to watch for. I wonder if Israel and the US will permit that heavy transport aircraft to land at its destination, and apparently its destination is either Damascus or T4, which I believe is the Air Force base just outside of Damascus. There was already an attack by Israel on there once, just a couple weeks ago, during some celebration that there was footage of the rockets. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. I just wanted to make a short update. I knew something had happened in Syria today, and it took a little bit of digging to find out. And we'll keep our eyes out and try to update you. And hopefully you get the notifications if you've subscribed. And you know what? If you're liking these videos, then click the like button and share it if you want on your social media or wherever your network of people is. And we'll try to update as we can. We're still watching for that Draconid meteor shower October 8th, and also around October 11th. The Scotty Clark had said that based on his calculations, the Feast of Trumps this year should have actually been on October 11th, not September 11th. So I don't know if there's anything to that or not, but we believe Jesus is coming soon, and these are the signs that we're watching as we move forward in time. Thanks for watching.